What's good, YouTube? BTC the Villain with another sneaker pickup. Some shoes I copped up the sneakers app. This past Saturday, I want to say it was the 8th. Yeah, Saturday, September 8th. I haven't looked inside the box yet because I want you guys to see it at the same time I see it. But I took them out the packaging first. So let's get into it. It's a navy box. It says Air Jordan International in gold. Look at the label real quick. Air Jordan 12 Premium, College Navy, University Red, Marine College. Suggested retail $200, size 13. And before we even get into the shoes, the paper, if I could just shade it real quick, you can see the Jumpman right there is like in the middle of America, kind of, sort of. I guess that's representing where Chicago is, and then you see it goes to, I want to say, I think that's LA, if I'm not mistaken. And then it goes to Spain, I think. And then it goes all the way over here to Japan. So let's get into ooh, shit. Okay, these are the Jordan 12 International Flight. These are the Japanese inspired ones. I think the fives are based on Spain. That's why that was Spain. But let's take both these shoes out the box. These are, oh shit, these are hot, bro. These are fucking fire. So, okay, so as you can see, it's a navy suede and everything else is white. This navy suede has clouds on it, Japanese clouds. This white part right here has fish scales instead of like snake skin, I want to say. For the regular 12s, on the back it says Japanese. My bad. On the back it says Jordan in Japanese. Man, and then the inside, I think, if I'm not mistaken, in the inside, it has more of those shit. On the inside, it has more of those clouds, and it has that Jordan in Japanese. And inside, there is the insole is red, and it has a white basketball globe type thing. And that about wraps it up for this unboxing of this Air Jordan 12 International Flight, the Japan pair. I think these are fucking fire. I think these are gorgeous. I think these are a fucking masterpiece, a work of art. These should have been limited. These were limited, they would have been crazy. But since they are a general release, you know, more power to the consumer. You know what I'm saying? I can get my hands on a pair. I didn't have to worry about them selling out or nothing. So, you know, I got me my pair, and that's really all that matters. So that about wraps it up for me. You know, just giving you guys a little quick look at these Jordan 12s. They look so good in person, though. Like, I wish you guys could see these. If you guys have a pair, say it in the comments section. Just let me know, like, what you think about them. I think these are fucking fire. But that's about it, and that about wraps it up. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.